Oh, that's me! I didn't even know. I'm not even joking. You're trying to be stupid. That really is me.
Any other pictures up? Oh, okay, I guess not.
Wait, Ed, you promised you deleted that.
Amen. So.
You're a jerk.
Alright, this song is just something that I put together for my wife, Crissia, wherever you are. This for you. We've been through a lot of stuff together, you know. I think people that are husbands and wives know what I'm talking about, even girlfriend and boyfriend, situations that people go through. But overcoming them with God is the center of your life really makes a difference, you know. And it could be as bad as it can be. It could be as worse as you know, people near divorce, but when God brings you back to a place of peace, it really says a lot about a man and about a woman, amen? So I'm just going to read you the lyrics of the song, because you might get lost. So the lyrics are very simple. Is I see the stars in your eyes when you watch me. I find myself in the complete. When I come near you, God has placed you with me to run this race together. It makes me want to sing, oh, I want to run this race with you. I want to live with Him. I want to live with you. The world says you're great. I say you're captivating. Amen. It's very simple, but this is for Crissia, so amen.
Stars in your eyes when you watch me. I find myself completely when I come near you. God has placed you with me to run this race and say, oh, 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 oh. I want to live with you, and I want to run with you. I want to live with Him, yeah. The world says that you're great. I say you're captivating. I find myself completely engaged. God has placed you for me to run this race, holding hands and watching you, walking through and say, oh, 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 oh. I want to run with you, I want to live with you, I want to live with Him, yeah. Don't tell me your love is not real, 'cause I'm living a dream. Don't tell me your love is not real when I'm living in a dream. Don't tell me God is not real when He's given me everything. Don't tell me this life can be great, 'cause I'm living, oh, 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 'cause I want to live with you, and I want to live with Him, and I want to live freely, yeah. Don't tell me love is not real when I'm living a dream. Don't tell me love is not real when God has given me perfection in my life. Don't tell me God is to live with him and I want to run this race with you.